Good morning, children. Hope you all are doing great at home. Today, I'm here to teach you all science. I'm going to teach you all a very interesting and wonderful topic. Here, once again, I welcome you all for today's science lesson. Today, we'll be learning about the lesson Solar System and the Earth. The subtopics to be covered in this chapter are as follows: space, stars and constellations, solar system and planets, satellites, the earth, its structure and its movements. And today we'll be learning in detail about space, stars and constellations. To introduce today's lesson, I'm going to show you all a picture now. What do you see, children? Yes, we see the solar system, which consists of the sun, planets, asteroids, comets, etc. Children, can you identify the home planet? Yes, our home planet is the Earth, where we all live. And Earth is the third planet from the Sun. In the next slide, we'll be seeing our planet Earth and its atmosphere. Yes, you heard it right. I said atmosphere. Now, what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the layer of air surrounding the Earth. In this picture, you see our planet Earth here, and you can see these layers of air, also called as the atmosphere. Earth's atmosphere is like a blanket which protects our Earth. Now, why is atmosphere called a blanket? Atmosphere is called a blanket because it maintains the temperature of Earth. That is, it prevents the sudden increase in temperature during the daylight hours, and during the night hours, it slows down the escape of heat from the Earth into the outer space. That's why atmosphere is called the protective blanket. Atmosphere also gives us oxygen to breathe, and this is the place where the weather changes happen. And so we can say that Earth's atmosphere is like a blanket for our planet. Now let us look at the region beyond the atmosphere. And what is it called? This region beyond the atmosphere is nothing but space. And when I say space, a word comes to your mind. I'm pretty sure of it. Space is vast, meaning it is large. It consists of the sun, moon, planets, comets, stars, etc. All these bodies found in space are called heavenly or celestial bodies. Now, children, please pay attention. You got a new word here, and it is celestial. Yes, you can pronounce it as celestial. Celestial bodies are the heavenly bodies that are found in the space. I'm pretty sure you all must have seen the night sky many times. And what do you see, children? The sky is full of marvelous things such as the stars, sun, moon, planets, galaxies, etc. And I'm pretty sure your elders must have shown you the formation of 7 stars called the Saptarishi or the Little Bear constellation. We will be learning about the constellations in the second half of the video. Here we'll be learning about the sun and the stars. Yes, what is it that is found in the center of the solar system? It is nothing but the sun. And sun is the only star of our solar system. It looks bigger than the other stars because it is the nearest star to the earth. Sun is a huge ball of fire shooting heat and light in all directions. Moving to the next topic, here we will be learning about stars and constellations. To start with, what are stars? Look at this picture. What an amazing view we got here. You can see so many stars and it is such a good picture. Now stars are huge balls of hot glowing gases. Stars have their own light and heat. They are very huge in size, many times bigger than Earth. Though they are very huge, they look small because they are millions of kilometers away from Earth. In one sentence, we can describe stars as self-luminous celestial bodies that shine from their own internal energy. Let us have a quick look at what is there beyond the solar system. There are millions of stars in the sky. This huge collection of billions of stars, along with their solar systems that are billions of kilometers away from each other, form the galaxy. And we find millions of galaxies. The name of the galaxy that contains our solar system is the Milky Way. It is called the Milky Way galaxy because the disk of the galaxy appears in the night sky like a hazy band of glowing white light. And here you go. We can see an amazing picture of our galaxy, the Milky Way, where our planet Earth is present. Now you can see the hazy band of white light in the form of a disk as I explained in the previous slide. This is the Milky Way. Now moving to the next topic, constellation. I'm pretty sure you all are familiar with the term constellation. Yes, constellation is a group of stars that make a recognizable or a particular pattern. There are many constellations. Some of them are Scorpius, Orion, Ursa Major, Leo, etc. In the next slide, I'll be showing you some pictures of the constellations. This is called the Leo. And Leo is one of the earliest recognized constellations, and this is one of the few constellations that resemble its namesake, and it is visible in the northern hemisphere around the springtime of the year. Now moving to the next constellation by name Ursa Major. This is the third largest constellation in the sky and it is visible all through the year. So which is the third largest constellation in the sky, children? It is the Ursa Major. Moving to the next constellation, we have the Scorpius. This Scorpius is very close to the southern horizon and lies high in the sky near the center of the Milky Way. And it is best seen in the month of July. Now, Orion, it's named after the hunter. It is the most prominent constellation in the sky and can be seen throughout the world from November to February. Now, a quick recap of all that was taught today. In the beginning, we had learnt about Earth, which is our home planet, and that Earth is surrounded by a blanket of air called the atmosphere, and the vast region beyond the atmosphere is called the space. And in the space, we find some heavenly bodies called the celestial bodies. Next, we learnt about the galaxy, the huge collection of billions of stars along with other systems are called the galaxies. And then the constellations. Constellation is a group of stars forming a regular pattern in the sky. And here are the key words that we have learnt in today's video. Children, please go through these words and learn the spellings as some of them are new to you and you're learning it for the first time. So to start with, we have the solar system and then atmosphere, celestial bodies, galaxy, constellations. And with this, we come to the end of this video today, children, and hope you all have enjoyed it. Now, all of you, please go through this video carefully and try to understand all that was taught today. Once you're done with understanding, for your further assistance, you can take the help of the video link I'm providing about constellations. Once you're done, please try finishing up the worksheet that is being attached. Thank you for your attention, children. Stay home, keep safe, and have a good time till our next session.